The AP-NIC Foundation has organized the EmpowerTech Summit 2026 in Bangkok to establish a regional strategic framework for inclusive digital development across Southeast Asia. The summit converges regional policymakers, cybersecurity authorities, international tech pioneers, and digital development leaders. The gathering aims to bridge public policy needs with technical expertise and grassroots insights to shape a resilient and secure digital landscape for the region. Recent economic reports from Google, Temasek, and Bain & Company indicate that Southeast Asia's digital economy has climbed to a gross merchandise value of approximately $300 billion US, expanding at an annual growth rate of 15%. However, data from the International Telecommunication Union highlights a critical gap, showing that more than 1/3 of the regional population still lacks meaningful internet connectivity. To address this disparity, summit attendees are focusing on building flexible infrastructure, upgrading cybersecurity readiness, developing a skilled digital workforce, and ensuring equitable technology access. According to one of the speakers, Air Vice Marshal Amon Tomtoy, who is Secretary General of the Office of the National Cybersecurity Agency, it is expected that members of the public should arm themselves with the basic knowledge of cybersecurity in navigating the modern society going forward.
So EmpowerTech 2026 Summit has been in the planning stage for the past 7 months. As somebody who's supporting this event, not just as a moderator, but a sponsor and a partner and friend of the AP-NIC Foundation, I'm very pleased that finally this show is coming into Thailand. I think we have so many white papers, policy platforms, dialogue, but do we have all the right people in the room that are actually brainstorming, sharing, discussing, debating, and putting all those thoughts together in a white paper that is delivered to the key stakeholders, the right decision makers, and making sure that the voice of industry, academia, policymakers, investors, as well as the people that are part of the solution, part of the ecosystem, that are experiencing problems firsthand, that their voices are heard, and that we actually deliver on the promise that digital economy, technology infrastructure empowers people.
So there's a lot of things that are on the discussion table here today. If I had to choose one thing, it was trying to define what does it mean to have an internet connection or a digital connection, right? In other words, what do you do with it? And there was a lot of interesting viewpoints put across on why people use digital so much. That really defines what we need to do next, right? And the reason that is an important question is because if we know what people use it for, then we can decide what do we need to do to ensure that tomorrow's digital systems, tomorrow's infrastructure is there to support what people want to do.